Today I'm going to show you the study group feature of matematiikka.xyz. The first thing you will see is a list of your study groups. You can either create or join a study group. This is done by clicking the big plus. To create the study group, click on the create button and enter a name. To join a study group, click the join button and enter an invitation code. In the settings page of the study group, you can change the name of the study group and add and remove members. To create an invitation code, press the generate invitation button. The code is only valid for 1 hour. In the feed, you can create posts which all of the members of the study group will see. Enter a title and write content using the math editor. You can also make reactions to the posts by clicking the react button. You can comment the posts by using the comment page. Write a comment and press the button to post it. One of the most important features of study groups is the ability to share exercises with the study group. This is done from the exercise page, where you can click the share exercise button and either make it public, share it with the study group or with a specific user. Send the link to anyone who should be able to see it. Exercises shared with study groups can also be found from the Share tab in the study